We're in the Golden Zone of Bucerias. It's a really nice area, a bit quieter than where we are, the other end of town. Lots of very exclusive apartments and condominiums here by the looks of it. But you're away from the main road, lots of little restaurants. Seems very popular here. Not so much construction noise either. And golf carts, different forms of transport seem to be permitted here, quads and golf carts on the road. Five Frogs Hotel. Got lots of jewellery here.
Hola amigos, welcome.
Hola, gracias. Oh. Yeah. We've got all the old activities here. Go and look at the bridge.
Hey amigo, welcome.
Hola, gracias. Gracias. Yeah.
There's some gold.
Yeah. That's pretty. Thank you, gracias, señor. Different bridge. Yeah. I don't know, it looks like the same one. Yeah. Let's have a sit down on the... Yeah, this is where we see the iguana up there. Oh, hola. Wow, not for no, thank you. You have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Right, we're on our last day in Bucerias. We've had a good walk around. We've just been to the supermarket and now we're going to walk back to our hotel. Maybe 5 kilometers or so. And right, it's really nice here. I think we both agree there's a lot of construction.
Yeah.
And where we are at our nice hotel, a lot of road noise as well. It's one of the things you need to consider if you're coming this way. Lots and lots of road noise and lots and lots of construction. There's construction over there. No, gracias. That guy's got horses.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. Guys are trying to make a living. That's nice. Got a nice footbridge, and if you come on a Sunday at the end of this riverbed, there's a big Sunday market. Yeah. Now I think we're entering the tourist crap. There you got all the sellers selling the same souvenirs and that. Yeah. Right. Okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Ah, por Fernando, por favor.
Ahí te hablo entonces, el lunes, güey.
Stephanie también se abrazaba de las piernas. La responsabilidad va a ser mía.
Guys, just for fun, you don't have to buy a browser. For look and touch, no coverage charge, free admission.
Thank you.
Where you from, sir?
We're from Canada.
Alberta?
BC.
BC, Vancouver, Canucks.
Yeah.
Shot glasses, maybe shot glasses. What's your wallet?
Oh yeah.
Mexico vanilla. If you want to buy something you don't need, this is the
Oh
place.
yeah, I definitely do need something, unfortunately.
You want to see?
Hi.
How much for the GoPro?
They're about 150 second hand.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad.
Can you show my store, guys?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take this one. Yeah, nice.
Take a picture.
You want to take picture?
Mm,
And I got more here.
It's gonna put you on YouTube.
yeah.
Where you have like a video? Yes.
Yeah,
Where
you want to watch our channel?
Probably you.
Maybe you want to introduce yourself.
Okay. We don't have a Wi-Fi, but I did the picture. Okay.
Right. Do you want to introduce yourself? This is the.
I'm still putting our name in.
Oh, okay.
Oops. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
No, I have
Oh,
a.
you took the name. Okay.
You're famous? No, I have a
Nah.
Wi-Fi.
Oh, you
6,000
have a
subscribers.
Yeah,
I
you can
follow
check
for
it.
you.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Want to introduce yourself?
Thank you. Hey guys.
The name of your
welcome,
store?
Welcome to Bucerias. If you may buy something you don't need, this is the place.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And we're in Buceria, the golden part of town. What part of town is this?
Like the time they open?
The name.
No, the name of this
Here
area.
is Bucerias.
Yeah,
Okay.
Bucerias.
Bucerias Nayarit.
Right.
Lovely. Yeah. Gracias. Thank you. You have a great day. Thank you, guys.
See you on the channel.
Yeah, Steve and Tina Jewel.
Thank you, sir.
She's done.
Ah.
We'll put yours on YouTube
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, guys, they were super friendly, and they got some really nice stuff as well.
Yeah, lovely.
Check my prices before you go. It's ridiculous prices.
Yeah.
Steve took the video.
Yeah.
today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want to see the shop?
Oh,
No,
yeah.
yeah, we just had a look round. Thank you very much.
Any vanilla?
Maybe later. We still got to get back and have a wash and a shower.
Any silver? Nothing?
Not today, thank you.
When? Next year?
I don't know. You have a great day, sir. Yeah, we're excellent salesman here. Yeah. Hola. Right, so look at those lovely flags up on the street there. We're going to have a little walk back to our hotel now.